The company's been around since 1855. We sell seeds predominantly, an extensive range of seed potato products, fruit products, and also gardening equipment and bulbs. We've been working with SLI for around about 5 years now. They built behind the scenes a functioning search, which we then fully tested, and really within probably about 6 weeks or so, that was ready to go live. We actually use the Autocomplete functionality. Having the ability for the user to be able to start typing but maybe not know the full spelling is really important for them finding the right product on our site. We also have the ability to change the order of the results as well. We also extensively use the synonyms functionality. There are many different ways of spelling certain different gardening plant type names. So having the ability to put in all the different options we can possibly find that users are entering as keywords ensures we get the customer to the right product. Despite having a huge amount of faceted information against our products in our behind the scenes database, we didn't on our site offer users the chance to actually pull all of that faceted information into one single source. So we threw out a challenge to the SLI team that by providing all of this faceted information in a data feed to them, could they actually build us a solution for end consumers to use? And I'm pleased to say they rose to the challenge and came up with a great solution that we've had implemented for about a year now, called the Garden Plant Finder. It does supply them with the ability to choose from facets from our entire product database. Site Champion is SLI's SEO functionality, and essentially what it does is to take all of the keywords that are used through our search solution and builds search engine optimized pages for those keywords, which conversely then transfers into sales. Quite often when something is working well, the customers don't necessarily tell you, so I think that's probably testament to how good the solution is on our platform. 21% of our site visits actually use the SLI site search, and that generates a considerable 47% of the revenue on our site. The conversion rate is 8%, which is a staggering 74% higher than our average site conversion. For the people that have actually used search, we see a 30% increase in the average order value than those that don't, and our bounce rate is a mere 12% compared to 57% on average. If we didn't have such a good solution that gives the customers exactly what they're looking for, then our overall metrics for our site wouldn't be as good as they are. We have a very good working relationship with SLI. If we come across any problems, which invariably are probably down to our data feed data more than anything else, we generally just get in touch, we get a swift response back from SLI, and the developers sort the issues out for us. I certainly would recommend SLI to other online retailers. We have a really good working relationship, and whenever we come up with different ideas for new functionality, SLI are always very open to that and work with my team to get that implemented. At the same time, SLI are very forward-thinking and constantly coming up with new ways of developing their product, which we are very keen to work with them on to implement to grow our sales.